narration. Myself Saboni Dhara. So students, today we were going to discuss how to develop a story in your English writing skills. To develop a story writing, you need the following points. The first point is this, to think about the purpose of the story. Second point is this, to use your own creativity and your own innovations. Don't forget to use your imagination power. Next thing is that to compose a story with a twist and turn with a climax at the end of the story. You should not forget that there should be a central idea of that particular imagination and the thoughts which you have used. So always try to make sure that your story should have a central idea which the question is related. Another one is that students, you all need to focus on a very sweet and short title of that particular story which will not reveal the climax or the conclusion of that particular story. It should be sweet and short, and you don't forget to make a moral of the story at the end. It is very important for you all to narrate the entire story with the twist and the turns, and also with the climax. Don't you try to quote the principal message of the story as its moral. Examples of the story writing may be an alert citizen, recipe of success, right to remember, chain of kindness. So such are the examples of developing a story. So students, tricks. Number first trick is this, that you should always try to read some of the short stories. I'm not talking about the lengthy stories or the book stories. I'm talking about the short stories. So try to develop your ideas and also the imagination power. This will going to help you out for the developing a story writing. And this will also help to think quickly into innovative and new ideas. Next trick is to write by your own with the new ideas, and with somehow you can use the proverbs, which is very famous. To write the stories of your own without looking by your own, this will improve your confidence level in the examination hall. So before going for the board exams or for the final exams, one should always try to maintain that you all should try to write without looking, without any help, without any copying any of the sentences. Try to elaborate your own knowledge, your own thoughts, and develop your own imagination power. The last point and the last trick for developing a story is to use easy and comfort language. The language which you knows, the language which the reader can understand by reading your stories. So this is all about the tricks how to develop a story. This is all about the tricks related with the developing a story in English writing skills. I hope you all got to know how to develop a story writing and how to write it. And also you have gone through with the tricks. So students, my upcoming video is based on board preparations. So there is no need to worry about your boards, because I'm going to guide you all how to score more than 85%. So this will going to help you out for your board exams. So keep watching Dhara Educations. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.